guys. My night typically begins once my handsome little guy here falls asleep, which is usually around 7:30 or 8 p.m. I will start by preparing myself a glass of wine to help me wind down from the day as I prepare our dinner. Dinner this night was a HelloFresh meal, and I've really been enjoying HelloFresh because it's very convenient and the food is tasty. Since dinner is in the oven, I start to collect all of the clutter out of the living room. My dog tends to leave toys on the floor and my son's things as well, so I just go ahead and pick all those things up and put them in their proper places. Next, I go in with my Dyson to give the rug a good vacuuming. The Dyson is probably one of my favorite vacuums ever. There are always bottles that need to be washed, so here you can see me washing the bottles for the day. I use the Method all-purpose spray in the scent pink grapefruit to clean off my countertops and other surfaces in the kitchen. I absolutely love the all-purpose spray because it smells so good and I can use it on multiple surfaces. One thing that I've started to do is to load my dishwasher and run it at night. That way in the morning I can unload the dishwasher and all my dishes are clean and ready to go for the day. Are any of you particular about your pillows and the cushions on your couch? I am so anal about them. It kind of drives me crazy, but I love for the pillows to be all fluffed up and the cushions to be fluffed up and lively as well. Finally, I give the couch a good vacuum and a spray down with a nice fragrant spray. Now I'm all done in the living room. By the time I'm finished cleaning in the living room, dinner is all done, which I am so happy about because I've definitely worked up an appetite. Once I eat my dinner, I can go ahead and start studying or doing my homework for the night, and then it's off to bed. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this really quick nighttime quick clean routine. It's just a typical night. So if you want to see more videos, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one.